Bitcoin breaking all new record highs, whatever you want to call it. It's up there to 9,600. Bitcoin going crazy, Litecoin going crazy. Gonna break it down in this video, talking about some of the moves that's going on right now in cryptocurrency. So stay tuned. What's going on, guys? I know this is insane. I know it's insane. People are gonna be like, this is nothing but a bubble. Patrick, you gotta get out. You gotta get out right now. This thing is gonna explode. But honestly, I don't know. I honestly don't know what's gonna happen from here on out. And I feel pretty good because I have such a good entry point. So we're up there to 9,600. Bitcoin is literally there at 9,600. You can see here, right now we got a little bit of a pullback, but we got up there to 9,600 today. So that's an all-time record high. Obviously, we broke through 9,000 earlier. That was a record high. We went to 9,600. Talk about crazy volatility, talk about momentum, talk about the whole entire world finally waking up. That's all I see the big financial websites talking about is Bitcoin, cryptocurrency madness. And here's the chart. This is the 5-minute chart showing Bitcoin. Look at this daily chart. Look at this daily chart, actually. So looking back here on the daily chart, I started talking about Bitcoin back at the $6,000 area. This was beginning of November. I'd made the first video on this channel talking about Bitcoin. I'm not trying to claim that I was by any means gonna know this thing was gonna go this high, but you can see how much of a move, how big this thing has been in the last 4 weeks. Looking here kind of at the overall move here, look at this percentage. So in the last overall weeks, in the last year, we are up over 2,000%. BTC, Bitcoin up over 2,000% this year. There is no other thing out there, nothing. There's nothing out there that can give you these types of returns. Maybe you're trading some crazy penny stock, but overall, you're putting your money into this, you're letting it sit for the year, you're getting 2,000% return. Now, like I always say in all these videos, do not go and just go and buy a bunch of Bitcoin right now. This is not a video to tell you to go buy Bitcoin. This is a video to tell you to start looking into this, start researching, start watching it, start thinking about ways that you can get in on this momentum. Remember, we are momentum day traders. There's no reason that we cannot trade this stuff. So Bitcoin, Litecoin, all these coins move very similar to day trading, to the stocks that we trade every day. But the one great thing about it is that Bitcoin, Litecoin, all this stuff is trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. There are no breaks. There are no pauses. It's always going on. So there's always opportunity. Bitcoin making a wild move here. This is the daily chart. You can see how crazy this is here on the daily. We're breaking through that high. Every day I feel like I've been making new videos, making Twitter posts, talking about how we're breaking over record highs, record high, record high. I feel like I'm a broken record right now, but there it is. Bitcoin up there to 9,600. This is history in the making, guys. History in the making. We are living in a historic time. In the future, there's going to be articles, there's going to be TV shows, there's going to be movies about what's going on right now. People talking about how this is the largest exchange of wealth in history right now. The overall market cap, the overall money that's flowing into these coins right now is mind-blowing. So looking at Litecoin, I'm really bullish on Litecoin right now, and that's not just because I have it. I've done the research, I've done a lot of research, and I've done my research, and that's why I'm about it. That's what I want you guys to do. I want you to do your research. I want you to learn about it. I want you to see these trends. Look at this chart. This is not any different than the stocks that we trade every day. And you can see here, Litecoin, I started talking about this one beginning of the month, the same time, $50 area. Litecoin is up there to $90. We'll call it $90. It's up there to $90. It's doing a little bit of pullback right now, but I'm buying the dips. I got a couple orders sitting there on GDAX, trying to buy the dips. But you can see Litecoin here. Amazing. Really just an amazing move. Look at this yearly chart. Look at the daily chart here on Litecoin, guys. Right there. Look at this. Percentages. 2,400%. 2,400%. Give me one example of one stock, one investment you can make 2,400%. I mean, give me an example. Leave a comment if you have an idea. But I really want you guys to understand is that you need to be learning about this. You need to be looking into cryptocurrencies. Litecoin right now going crazy, Bitcoin going crazy. I don't know where the top is. I'm not going to claim that this is the top, and I'm also not going to claim by any means that this is a safe investment. Do not, like I said, do not go out right now and buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, just because you watch this video. I'm telling you, do your research, learn about it, figure out the best ways to do it, look at the patterns, look at the charts, find the support areas, and trade it like you would any other penny stock or anything like that. look into it, do your research, and learn about it. But Bitcoin, Litecoin to all-time record highs. And Litecoin has a little bit higher to go before it gets to the exact record high there. But I'm expecting Litecoin to easily get over $100 by the end of this year, if not this week. If we get over that $90 area, I see no reason that we won't get right over there to that $100 area. So Litecoin, Bitcoin, keep an eye on these two. The reason that I love Litecoin, the reason I love Bitcoin is that it's capped out. There's a maximum amount of total coins. In the future, they can't just add more coins like the US government does. They can't just keep printing money. Litecoin at one point will be only 84 million coins total in the world. There's billions and billions of people. Let's say everybody in the world wants a little bit of Litecoin. Talk about the price going up, up, up. This is a real treasure for that reason. There's a scarcity. There's a maximum amount of Litecoin, Bitcoin allowed in the world. They're not going to just keep adding it. They're not going to keep printing it. They're not going to deflate it. They're not going to inflate it. Litecoin, Bitcoin, keep an eye on these two. Do your research, learn about it. But Bitcoin to new highs, 9,600. I would not be surprised if we see $10,000 by the end of maybe today, maybe the end of this week. $10,000 Bitcoin. It's coming. It's coming hard. It's coming fast. And it's not too late to get in. Don't worry about the price. You can get in fractional amounts. You can put in $100, $200, $300 and let it sit. You can put it in there. You can let it sit and hold it for the next 10 years. Like I say in all my videos, this is a gamble. Cryptocurrency, obviously, there's a risk. There's a risk that for some reason this all starts to crash. But I also really believe there's a large upside. So right now you can see here, this is my wallet. Right now, Exodus, I'm up there to $14,934. Litecoin has been killing it. Bitcoin has been killing it. Dash has been killing it. I've been making money and putting it in my wallet, sitting here in Exodus. I got some more money in GDAX, but I am really in love with this whole cryptocurrency world right now. I wish I would have got in a lot sooner, but hey, at least 10 years from now, I'll look back. If I lost all this money, I'll look back and be like, well, at least I tried. The last thing I want to do is 10 years from now, look back and be like, why did I not buy Litecoin when it was $70? Why didn't I buy Bitcoin when it was $10,000? If this thing really just keeps going crazy for the next 10 years, who knows how big this could get. If you look at the overall market caps on these coins compared to Apple, compared to the big stocks, compared to the stock market, the Forex market, it's small, it's nothing. If you look at the overall market cap on a Litecoin compared to Apple, it's not even comparable. So there's still a lot of room to go here, guys. This is the future. Something big is going to happen here. And like I said, there's a good chance that this could easily crash. So do not go and put all of your money into it. But if you have a little bit of extra money, look out, figure out a way to start investing in it. Start your plan, start investing slow and steady, and let's get this ball rolling. 10 years from now, we all might be looking back at this and be like, holy crap, this is crazy that we bought in there at the $70 area, $50 area there on LTC. 10 years from now, we all might look back on this video and be like, wow, Litecoin, Bitcoin, that was an amazing price to buy it. So if you guys haven't already, help me help you, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.